How to use Chase mobile application to deposit checks online on your mobile phone, let it be Android or iOS. You can do the thing on both formats of mobile phone here. For this, open simply the application or the website from the browser. As I'm opening the website, I don't have a Chase account active here, but I'm showing you the original steps you have to do. For Chase Quick Deposit, learn how to deposit checks right from the Chase mobile application. Sign into the Chase mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer. Select Deposit Checks and choose the account where you want your deposit to go. Enter the deposit amount and tap Front and take a photo of the front check from your camera of your inbuilt phone camera. Endorse your check, then tap Next. Then take a photo of the back of the check here. Once you have captured the photos, click and check on the review, the deposit amount, and then check details. Then simply select Next and deposit to confirm it from your Chase application and you will be done now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.